the self-acclaimed dancehall king Shatta Wale. The man started the year 2021 with violence, with violence, and also he ended it with violence as well. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that comes. This new year too, the man has started it with fire, with the violence, the same energy, 100%, no shaking. Now, Shatta Wale says, in this year party, because last year no, and a prophet be, Jesus and warfare. Okoma no prophecy be also Shatta Wale will die, blah blah blah, and all of those things. Shatta Wale had to fake his own shooting and the whole lot of things that came up. He got arrested. He spent some time in police custody and everything. Ono no only did to oye the police, head by oye the IGP, Ora Ekufudam Paria, or release the press release before 31st night. I work there. I saw for no, especially prophet of doom for no. One share, one prophecies are what about on 31st night in the year. I'm at 31st night to come had the prophet bien to mama, one shem combine be a one to wow. A drop your them. Sure. Now, what I said 2022 a diagram. Yen dago. So, although he feels that Otumu year baby to bring change, transformation into this time, this year and also so no last year. Or making sure that prophecies doom na deni na no about hold. This year, when they about bloggers no one do. And to us this year, the bloggers net day. Bloggers no one Shay or the Kubeko jail. Now that's why Shatta Wale has directed his anger at Ghanaian bloggers. He says he wants to change the blogging job by making sure one careless blogger is jailed this year. Now, according to Shatta Wale, who wrote on Facebook, bloggers in Ghana are too fixated on negative and false stories. He believes that just as he sacrificed his freedom to stop men of God from dupe prophecies, his action against bloggers will make them more responsible. Now, in his post on Facebook, this is what he said. This year alone, I want to make sure one blogger goes to prison and learn what it is being a professional. Whilst Nigerian bloggers, they praise their own in this current situation, Ghanaian bloggers are spreading false info in the country. This is what I told one great police officer, that if they don't check these things, there won't be any disciplines in the country. I fought for false prophecies and I will again fight bloggers this year. Watch me, Shatta Wale. So this is what Shatta Wale, the man, is saying. You can see the screenshot on your screen right there. Timam Koka in China there, and as you cannot GH idea JTV do, and I can send your phone. No, this is what Shatta Wale said, and the evidence is there. So bloggers, what do I have to say about this? Okay. Bloggers, they are too fixated on false stories, negative news now, because they feel that that is what is going to give them the clickbait. That's what's going to give them the traffic. Also, so now all this kind of beba, in one AdSense kind of oboko so now we withdraw at the end of the month. But then in doing that, they also forget that these celebrities or stars or public figures, they are humans, and lots of things said about them now, are mostly or false or someone somewhere, a public figure somewhere might want to keep a certain part of their life private. The fact that they are public figures doesn't necessarily mean that they can't live just a handful of privacy in this life, in this public figure life. They want entire bloggers when you're now this year, Shatta, Joe.